Hi guys, in this video I am going to describe you
To create a simple registration form using HTML. Okay, see here, this is a simple registration form where you have to enter the name, password, then your any gender type, and then submit. Here you can enter lots of other text field also, but for the time being I am only giving you the demo of these three fields. Okay, so for this you have to see my full video and please subscribe my channel for the latest update. So I have to write the title here. Say for example my title is form title. Okay, and within the body tag I have to write all my tags here. Okay, so my first tag is form tag. I have to use the form tag for create a form. Okay, here I simply create a form, nothing will be used, just I have to create this simple form. Okay, using only HTML, not CSS. Okay, now within this form tag I have to use the table tag, okay, for creating that rows. So I have to use the table tag here. Okay, so within this table tag I have to use first row. Okay, so my first row is tr and the name of the first row is name, where I have to enter the name of the value. Okay, before my first row here, see, I have to give the data here. Only name is for if I have only the name, then if I write only name within the row, then it will only display the name, but I have to display the text box also. That's why I have to write here td for entering the value. Within td I have to write the name, because here two values is there, one is name, another one is my text box. So td, within td I have to write the name. Again within I have to create another td here. And within this I have to create a text box. So for create a text box for entering the name, I have to use the tag for input tag, and then I have to write the type attribute. Within this type attribute I have to write which type of value I have to enter. So I have to enter the text type of value. Now placeholder, where I have to enter the value, that is called placeholder. So it will just display this value name. Okay, and then within this name, then after that within this name I have to give name equal to double inverted quotation, and here I have to give the blank because here I have to enter my value, because I have to enter my name. So let's see how it will appear. Okay, so see here name, then this is the placeholder, and within this placeholder this name is appeared, because placeholder equal to name means here I have to write anything, but before this you have to write this name, where the user will easily understand what you have to enter. Okay, so that's why the placeholder equal to within the inverted comma name. Okay, so this is the first td. So next one is I have to enter the password. Okay, so I have to give the next row. Say for example my next row is tr. Within this tr I have to give td again, repeating process. Okay, and here I have to give the password value. Okay, password. And within this same row I have to again enter the text box, and for text box I have to give input type. My input type will be password. Okay, password means it will unreadable. Okay, next one is placeholder. Equal to password. So again in input I have to give here password, and placeholder I have to again give here password because it will display the password. And next is name. It should be blank because here I have to give the value. Okay, next one is my next row for gender. Okay, so I have to enter my next row. Within the next row I have to give the value TD as gender. Okay, again I have to give another, I have to take another TD here, and within this TD again my input type, because here I have to enter the radio button for male and female. So here input type is radio. Okay, and name is gender, where the value for the first one is male, and again I have to give another input for female. So again same line, input type radio, name equal to gender, here I have to give female. Okay, so this has finished. Okay, so let's see what is happened here. See here, name, password, gender, male for first and female for second one. Next I have to enter another row for submit button. Okay, here you can enter many more. You can enter the email also, you can enter the phone number, anything you can enter. You can enter lots of text fields also, but for the timing I am only giving you these 3 fields and one submit button. Okay, this is a simple demo. In my following classes I will give you more information about how to create a login form, how to connect between the registration form and the login form, these things. So follow my channels. Okay, so next one is again another row, TR, and in this TR I have to enter TD. Within TD I have to enter input type, input, then type equal to submit. This is a type of submit, and here I have to give the value, because here the value should be value. Okay, so here value is submit, which will display you. Okay, and next is name equal, it is blank, and then Okay, so it has finished. See here, this is my text. Okay, now see what will happen now. See here, submit button is created. Okay, so I have to design this form little bit designing. Okay, so body I have to give the BG color equal to say yellow. Okay, see what is happening now. See, this is good now. Okay, and I have to give, before creating a form, one extra tag is there, which is center form. It should be say H3. Okay, okay, so see now, see form. Okay, so now see here say enter something, say password is, see this way. That's why here the input type is password. When I have to input type equal to text, see here Jayati is taking as a text, but when I have to give the input type equal to password, it will take as a password. See here. Okay, see radio button is like this. You have to give any option and the submit option. So like this you can create a simple text form, means a registration form using HTML. Okay, so if you like my video, then like the video, share the video, and please subscribe my channel for the latest update. Okay, thank you.